Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab P10 Plus, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on About Tablet, which should be at the very top, and now let's scroll down in order to, I hope, find the serial number. And as you can see, it is not available right here, so on the very first page, but no worries. All you have to do is to simply tap on Model. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. So basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number in your LENOVO Tab P10 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.